Planning to move soon and wondering how to stay safe and organized during uncertain times like COVID-19? Don't worry, Movers.com has you covered. Even though the pandemic has changed a lot about the way we live, moving is still possible with the right precautions. The first thing you'll want to do is plan ahead. Some moving companies may have new safety policies, limited staff, or special requirements, so it's best to ask early. Confirm details like virtual estimates, mask policies, and sanitation steps before booking. Next, clean and disinfect before and after your move. Wipe down frequently touched surfaces like door handles, boxes, and furniture. Keep hand sanitizer nearby and try to wash your hands often during the process. If possible, pack your belongings yourself. This reduces contact with movers and helps you stay in control of hygiene. Use new boxes instead of reused ones, since they're less likely to carry germs. On moving day, keep things simple. Have only a few people around and give movers space to work safely. If anyone in your household isn't feeling well, postpone the move if you can. Safety comes first. And once you've arrived, give everything a quick clean before settling in. It's a small step that can give you extra peace of mind. Moving during COVID-19 might seem stressful, but with careful planning and awareness, you can still make it smooth and safe. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.